You know, most people, sometime in their computing life, end up losing a lot of their data from a virus or hardware problems. Yet hardly anyone backs up their data to an external hard drive. Now, my name is James McGregor from Interconnection, and I'm going to show you how to buy that external hard drive. This right here is not an external hard drive. However, your external hard drive will have an internal hard drive in it. All an external hard drive is a hard drive like this with a case that allows you to connect a cable like this from here to your computer. First step I'd recommend is you got to find out what type of connector you need. Now, most new hard drives, external ones, are going to have a couple different types of connectors. They'll have a USB one, a FireWire one, and usually they'll probably have something on the back that'll connect to your computer. But you do want to verify, make sure that it does have the right connector. Second factor is size. How much size do you really need? What I'd recommend, look at how much stuff you have on your hard drive. Look at all those files you couldn't bear to lose. See how big they are. You can highlight them all, right-click, and go Properties, and it'll show you the size. Once you have that size, you might want to look at that, maybe add, save 25% or maybe even 50% for growth. And once you have that number, that's probably how big you want to go for your hard drive. If you need a little more space, then you can go that route. You can never go too big, but you can go too small. So that's one thing you want to keep in mind. And also, you don't want to pay for more hard drive than you're going to need. Finally, you want to take a look at the interface. Some of these hard drives will have buttons on them to back up all your data, where you install that company's software, plug in the drive, push a button, and just backs everything up. Some don't, and you have to set it up through Windows or your own software. You might want to look into that too when you're deciding what you want. Do you want the ease of the button, or can you just set it up in Windows and save yourself a few dollars on the hard drive? My name is James, and I just showed you how to buy a hard drive.